Let's continue at the section of products. Now we are going to the transfers. Let's go to transfers. At this lecture, we will discuss more about how to manage incoming inventory by receiving new products and track income inventory with transfers. So at this part of income or transfer, we will manage the products which out of stock from our supplier. So let's try to click here, add transfer. If we want to get more information, we have to learn more about inventory transfers at the Shopify. We will see different recommended by Shopify. So here we can add multiple. We have to browse some categories or some products, popular products or collections like this product. Let's choose this product, add to transfer. Here we go. Okay, we have been added a new product to be at the transfer. Okay, the quantity ordered 100. Okay, also we have the ability to create a new supplier, like okay, as example it will be a fashion supplier. Okay, create a new supplier or support. Okay, fashion, first name as example, Odi Adam, email, okay, phone number, that's okay, save supplier. So this is the way for adding a new supplier. Let's scroll down to see the shipment expected arrival. We have to add the year, month, day. Okay, let's choose next month of September. Okay, next September. Add tracking number if we want to tracking number, shipping carrier. It will be through the UPS as example. Enter your tracking number, add tracking number. That's all for these orders which will arrive from our supplier or our support of our e-commerce site. Additional details, if you want to add any additional details like reference number to be 20, tags, okay, it's urgent, new arrives, enter, new products, coming, enter. Okay, that's all. Finally, we have to save transfer. This option it will be inside. It's at the pending. Here you see you created this transfer, and at this point here we see the pending. Also, we have the ability to create another transfer. Let's go to show more options about transfer managing from the site of Shopify. As you see here, help.shopify.com, manual product inventory transfer. How to manage your transfer through Shopify. Transfer, you can use the Shopify transfer feature to record, keep track of, and receive income inventory from suppliers. As merchant, the transfers feature can help you manage your inventory in several ways. It allows you to record incoming inventory after you have been submitted and confirmed your purchase order PO with your supplier. It lets you indicate whether you have received a full or partial inventory, which allows you to process inventory at your own pace. It automatically updates your current product inventory after you have received the items from your supplier. It allows you to see the number of incoming items and their expected arrival date right in the product's details. So this is the best options to allows you to provide more proficiency acts at your e-commerce site or with Shopify. So these are some of next step, which is enable inventory tracking for your inventory to update automatically. You need to make sure that you let Shopify track it for you. Also, you have to create a transfer when you have confirmed with your supplier that your product will arrive by the expected date. You can prepare to receive them by creating a transfer. Also, you have to receive the inventory by using your transfer. You can confirm that you have received the inventory that you expected and automatically update the number of items you have available in your store. Also, finally, you will calculate inventory. When Shopify tracks inventory for you, it adjusts the number of incoming items for a product in a product in its product details. Make sure you understand how those numbers are calculated. So that's all for the transfers. It's really more useful for your e-commerce site. Let's continue here at the transfer if we want to duplicate or if we want to add another transfer for some products. That's all at this point. Also, we have to when your order comes up at your store or at your inventory, we have to check here at the receive items or mark as complete. That's okay. Let's now that's all for this lecture of transfers. Let's go to the next lecture of inventory. Goodbye.